Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the product has inventory but shows as sold out in Shopify. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your products and know that you have some inventory but it don't shows up there in the shop and it just shows as sold out. So basically what you'll need to do is right here click all locations and see the warehouses where you have your products. And let's say I have this Paris, and as you can see it says inventory is not stocked at Paris. So what you'll need to do is just go to the settings, then you'll need to go to the locations, and right here Paris, click on the Paris and make sure that you turn this on. Fulfillment, use inventory at this location to fulfill online orders, and then just hit save. And if you go to the products again and click on the Paris, you will see that this will be stocked. Right now I don't have an actually stocked this location, but you'll see that this is now available and this will fix your problem. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.